Today first concept, static properties and non-static properties. First concept, very very important concept. If you understand today concept, you can play with Java, otherwise Java can play with you.
Okay.
Static properties. Static properties.
But I'm
And
not able to see your screen.
yes, wait. Now you can get it.
Ah, great. Okay. Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Today first concept, static properties and non-static properties.
Okay.
Static properties. Non-static properties. What do you mean by static, madam?
Not movable or where they'll be like that only. You cannot change them.
Yes.
They're not flexible.
Yes. So here, for example, here static means common. Static means
Okay.
common. In Java, static means common. So wherever you go, there are two categories of people. Wherever you go, there are two categories of people. One is boys, other one is girls. There are two categories.
Okay.
Category is nothing but it is a class. There are two classes of people. One is boy class, other one is girl class. For example, I'm taking one boy class. For example, I'm taking one boy class. I'm taking one boy class. All the boys having some common properties. That properties is called static properties. Static means common. All the boys having some
Okay.
common properties. That properties is called static properties. So what are the properties all the boys commonly having, madam?
They're very mischievous.
Next.
They're very active, strong.
Mm.
Yeah, always busy playing.
Okay, I will tell you. Number of
Okay.
hands.
Oh, no, none of these.
Number of hands. No. All are
Oh,
those
number
right.
of hands. Okay.
Number of hands. For example, I am taking number of
Okay.
legs. I am taking
Okay.
number of hands and number of legs. So all the bias not having some common properties, that properties is called non-static properties. All the bias not having commonly, that properties is called non-static properties. What are the properties all the bias not having commonly?
I really don't know.
Name. Name is a non-static
Oh,
property.
oh, okay. All have unique names. Okay.
Yes. Color. Color property.
Okay.
Color is a
Okay.
non-static property. Okay, right. All the bias commonly do some actions. That actions is called static actions. All the bias
Okay.
commonly do some actions. That actions is called static actions. What are the actions all the bias commonly do?
Hmm. Oh God, I really don't know much.
Breathe.
This is
Breathe
too
is a
much.
common. Breathe is a common property.
Oh,
Common action.
okay.
Each and
Okay.
every boy will do. Breathe and sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Sleep is a
Okay.
common action for all the boys. And all the boys
Okay.
not do commonly, that actions is called non-static actions. So what are the
Mm-hmm.
actions all the boys not do commonly? Drink and smoke, for example. Drink and smoke.
Okay.
So using these properties, today we can write the Java program. Today we can write the Java
Okay.
program. Okay, right. Before going to Java, first of all, you should know three things. You should know three things.
Mm-hmm.
Compulsory, you should remember three things. If you want learn Java, if you want learn Java, so you should know three things. You should know three things.
Okay.
If you know these three things, you can work with Java very comfortably. You should know three things. First point, if you want to store the non-static stuff, if you want to store the non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required.
Okay.
I'm talking about only non-static. If you want to store the
Okay.
non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required. If you want to store the non-static stuff, stuff means properties as well as actions. So if you want to store the non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required. That is the first point. This is the memory
Mm-hmm.
location. For example, I'm taking one memory location. So we have non-static stuff. Non-static properties is one is name, Name is a property and color is a property. If it is property, like we can write only with semicolon. So if it is
Okay.
functions, we can write drink function bracket required. So smoke.
Okay.
This is the first point. If you
Okay.
want to store the non-static stuff, compulsory memory location required. Second point. If you want add anything to object memory location, if you want to add anything to object memory location, if you want to add anything to object memory location, comma, if you want get anything from memory location, reference name required.
Okay.
If you want to add anything to object memory location, if you want to get anything from object memory location, compulsory reference name required. I'm talking about only
Okay.
non-static only. I'm talking about only non-static. If you want to add anything to
Okay.
object memory location, if you want to get anything from object memory location, compulsory reference name required. Third point.
Okay.
Third point, if it is non-static, we should create the object creation. We should create the object creation. Object creation syntax is class name, reference name equal to new class name. Class name, reference name equal to new class name. Class name, for example, I'm taking boy. Reference name B1 equal to new boy. Class name, reference name equal to new class name. For example, I'm taking class name boy. Reference name as your wish. I'm taking B1 equal to new boy. So this is only for non-static. If it is non-static, we need to create the object. We need to create the object. So if it is
Object. Okay.
non-static, compulsory we should create the object. So I'm not
Object.
talking
Okay.
about static. I'm talking about only non-static.
Non-static. Okay.
If it is non-static, compulsory we should create the object. Class name, reference
Okay.
name equal to new class name. For example, class name is Akhil. Akhil A1 equal to new Akhil. Class name Hyderabad. Hyderabad H1 equal to new Hyderabad. Class name is India. India I1 equal to new India. Class name is Java. Java J1 equal to new Java. So just we should create the object creation. So using
Object
this,
creation. Okay.
yes, if it is only non-static, if it is only non-static, okay, all right.
Non-static. Mm-hmm.
So first of all, if you want to learn Java, first of all, we should know how to create project and package and a class. We discussed already.
Okay. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes. So now go to Java. Slowly I will teach you. It's very easy. So if you want work with Java, first of all, we should create one project and one package and a class. Or
Package.
directly we can
Class.
take class also. 1 second I will show you. So today onwards practice requirement. Already I have sent you software. Just install it. Just while installing Java, internet connection required. Only 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes you can install Java. Java supports all
Yeah.
operating systems and Eclipse each and every
Okay.
time we should run.
Okay.
Right. First go to Project Explorer, take the new project, Java project, click on next. I'm giving project name is Java 1. Click on finish. I created one project. After creating project, we can get two folders. One is SRC, second one is JRE. After creating project, we can get two folders. One is SRC, second JRE. Right click on SRC, directly we can take the new class. Whenever if you take
Class.
class directly, it will take under default package.
Default. Yeah. This
So
public static void.
yeah,
This.
just if you want main method, just keep the mark public static void menu, click on finish.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the unwanted statements, no need. So this is also commented, no need. So if you want to increase the text, text size, just go to Windows. Every day I will show you, just long process something.
Okay.
Go to Windows,
Okay.
Preferences, General, Appearance, Color and Fonts. So we can increase the font size. Actually it will be 10 now.
Okay.
I'm keeping 14 now. Click on OK.
Okay.
Apply. Okay. Now,
Mm-hmm.
so first of all, how to declare static properties? So only properties,
Okay.
only for general knowledge purpose we are discussing. So how to declare static properties? So under class, whatever we are writing, that is the declaration part. We will declare the function here only. We can call from main
Okay.
method. We can call from main method. So if you
Then.
want
Okay.
how to declare static properties, only for just for general knowledge purpose we are discussing public
Mm-hmm.
number of hands, number of legs. So static.
Mm-hmm.
So if it is static, compulsory we should write static. Number of hands, public static. Okay, data type, number of hands, number of legs. Which data type I should take?
Um, Number of integer one?
Integer only. Okay, if you want store,
No? Different?
yes, integer. So public static
Uh-huh.
int number of hands. Next, public static int number of legs.
Okay.
Without space, we should write, or we can use underscore also.
Okay.
Right. Next, name and color, non-static properties. How to declare non-static properties? Public. If it is static, we should mention static. If it is non-static, no need to mention anything. String
Okay.
name, public string color,
Okay.
number of hands and the number of legs, and the name and color. If it is static, we should mention static. If it is non-static, no need to mention anything.
No
So
need to
public
mention anything.
name
Okay.
is a string. So that's the reason I am giving
Mm-hmm.
string. So whenever writing
Okay.
string, it should be cap. Color also string. So that's the reason I gave
Okay.
string. This
String.
is
Okay.
this stuff for this is for only general knowledge, only GK.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right, leave it. Next, how to write functions. So public breathe and sleep static functions. So public static void. Why we are writing void, I will explain you. So next,
Okay.
breathe. Breathe is a function. If it is function, function
Mm-hmm.
bracket required, open the curling bracket and write the function body. Whatever you want, you can write it. SYSO control space breathe, breathing something. Breathing I am writing. Whatever you want, you can write it.
Okay.
That's your choice. That is function
Okay.
body. So public,
Okay.
always we will use public. Why we are using public, I will explain you later. Static function.
Mm-hmm.
So static, void. If it is function compulsory, we should write void. Without void also we can write. So why we are writing void, I will explain you later. So function name is breathe, function bracket, curling bracket. This is the function body. Whatever you are writing, this is the function body.
Mm-hmm.
Right, breathe is over. Next we have sleep.
Mm-hmm. Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
Next, non-static. Drink and smoke. So if it is
Drink and
non-static,
smoke.
just
Just.
remove static.
Mm. Okay.
Drink, drinking. Next, smoke. Remove static.
Mm-hmm.
Smoke. smoking. Right. So
Yeah.
I'm writing four functions. Two is static function, two is non-static functions. Two is static, two is non-static.
Non-static.
Right. So now we can call from main method. Breathe directly I can call. Why? Because it is a static. And sleep also directly I can call. Why? Because it is also static. So if I now drink, if I write drink, automatically it will show error. Why? Because it is a non-static. If it is a
Non-static. Okay.
non-static, if it is non-static, if it is non-static, what we need to do?
Uh,
We need to create the
we have
object.
to object. Yeah, object creation. Yeah.
So how to create the object? Class name boy, reference name
Okay.
b1 equal to new boy, class
New.
name, reference name equal to new class name. So reference is b1, b1 dot drink, b1 dot smoke,
Oh, okay.
b1 dot drink and b1 dot smoke. So
Smart. Okay.
if it is static, directly we can write in the main method. If it is non-static, we need to create the object. Only one thing you should remember.
Object.
Only one thing.
Okay.
If it is static, directly we can call from main method. If it is non-static, we need to create the object. Okay, without discussing
Okay.
this concept, directly I can say I can complete within 1 second. That is, if it is static, directly we can write in the main method. If it is non-static, we should create the object. Only one thing. Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So if it is
Mm-hmm.
static, directly we can write, we can call from main method. If it is non-static, we should create the object. That reference we should give here. That reference is b1 dot drink, b1 dot smoke. Okay.
Okay.
Save, click on run. So whatever you mentioned, that logic it will print to breathing, sleeping, drinking, smoking. Breathing, sleeping,
Oh.
drinking, smoking. So here you should
Okay. Got it.
remember using ABCD also we can learn this concept to A. AB is both are static.
Mm-hmm.
C,
Mm-hmm.
D.
D.
A directly I can
And
write.
then B1 dot. Okay.
B also I can write directly.
Mm-hmm.
C I can't write. Compulsory we should create the
C.
object.
Yeah. Object. Yeah.
D. So A B C D also. A B I am taking static. So if it is static directly we can write in the main method. If it is non-static we
Uh-huh.
should create the object. So boy B1
Okay.
equal new boy B1 dot C B1 dot D.
Mm-hmm.
That is the concept of static properties and the non-static properties. Okay. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Next concept. Say next concept to inheritance. Next concept to inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance is the one of the concept. It is the one of the it is the one of the concept provided by Java, provided by Java, which is used for extending the parent class stuff to inheritance is the one of the concept provided by Java, which is used for extending the parent class stuff to child class. We can extend all the parent class properties to child class. We can extend all the
Okay.
parent class properties to child class.
Chase class. Okay.
For example, I'm taking one class, father class.
Mm-hmm.
Father, he can earn money, he can drive car.
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving two functions. Next, son, he can drink and smoke. Already I gave father n function. So that's the reason I gave
Mm-hmm.
drink and smoke.
Mm-hmm.
I'm taking grandson. It is very child. So play and study. Don't know anything. Just like me. Play and study. Play and study. So here you should remember only one thing, only one line purpose we are learning this concept, inheritance concept. A extends B.
Mm-hmm.
A extends B. That means B properties will come to A. A can get B properties.
Okay.
A extends B means B properties will come to A. A extends B means B properties will come to A. So father having two
No, no, no,
properties.
no. A properties will come to B, right?
No, no,
No?
no, 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 no. B properties will come to A. A extends
Okay.
B. B properties will come to
Okay.
A. B properties will
Okay.
come to A. So father having two properties. Now I am writing son extends father. What will happen? Son extends father. Father properties will come to son. Father
Yeah.
properties will come to son. So son can get four properties.
Okay.
Next,
See,
black.
just in the same example,
Mm,
if you see that A is father and B is son,
mm,
all the characteristics will come to son, right?
right.
So A extends B
Mm.
means
B properties will
how
come to
come
A.
B? Okay. A properties will come to B,
No,
right?
no, no, no.
No?
B properties will come to A. Don't confuse.
How come the son's properties will go to father?
No, father properties will come to son.
Okay.
A extends B. Just remember, B properties will come to A.
Okay.
Okay. Next,
Okay.
grandson extends son. What will happen?
Both of the six will come to him.
Ah, son properties 4 plus 2, 6 properties he can get.
Mm.
So
Mm-hmm.
before going to this inheritance concept, first of all, we should know how to manage different classes. Just to
Okay.
before we discussed one concept, that is the boy class. I have taken only one class, so I wrote function in class and I called from main method. I called from main method. If
Okay.
it is only single class, okay, we can do like that. But here is multi classes, like father class different to, son class different to, grandson class different to, and we should call all the functions from another main method. So we should create here four
Okay.
classes. So before going to inheritance concept, how to maintain different classes. First we will discuss how to
Okay.
maintain different classes. How to maintain different classes. To the first concept, how to maintain different classes. Right. Go to Eclipse. So previous example, here we wrote four functions. Under class we wrote four functions and we called from main method. This is different. But
Mm-hmm.
today, now inheritance concept is different. So first of all, how to manage different classes? Just go to SRC, take the new class. I'm taking class name is father. I'm taking class name is father. Click on finish. I'm not taking any main method. I'm not taking any main method. If it is only single class,
Okay.
we can take the main method. Now I'm taking only class. Click on finish. So here I'm
Okay.
writing function public void n n function I'm writing SYSO control space father ending. Next I am writing another class, another function public
Void drive.
void drive
Yeah.
function bracket
Custom drive.
required curling bracket SYSO control space father driving.
Drive.
I wrote two functions. Save this. Now I'm going to sun class. Go to SRC, take the another new class sun.
Some. Okay.
I'm taking only class, madam. I'm not taking any
Only
main method,
class.
just to only class.
Yes.
So, son, you can drink and smoke. Drink, son drinking. Smoke. sun smoking, sun drinking and sun smoking. And once again go to SRC, take the new class, grandson.
Grandson.
Only class. Play. Grandson playing. Study. Grandson study.
Studying. Yeah.
So I have taken different classes. Father class, son class, grandson class.
Yeah.
Now first go to SRC. Go to SRC. Take the new class. In here. I'm giving class name is in here.
Yeah.
Now keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish.
Okay.
So already declaration already finished. So there is no declaration. Directly we can call the functions. So I want to call the
Okay.
father class functions from here. So I want to call the
Okay.
father class functions from this class. How we can call? So already I wrote father class functions is non-static. So if it is non-static, what we need to do? If you want to call the static function from same class or another class, we should create the object.
Object. Yes.
If it is non-static, if it is the same function, sorry, if it is same class or if you want to call from another class, we should create the object. If it is non-static, if it is in the same class or if it is from another class, if you want to call the non-static function, compulsory we should create the object. You should remember only one thing. Okay.
So now we have to
Create the object.
create object or not?
Yes, we should
Okay.
create the object. How to create the object?
Um, boy one. So father
Father
one, F1
F1.
is it is equal to new father.
Yes, father F equal to new father.
And yes, this one.
F dot n function you can get.
F dot, okay.
F dot drive you can get.
F dot drive,
Next,
yes.
I want to call the sun class functions. Then
Sun S is equal to,
is equal to
no,
is equal to
sun, no, new sun.
sun is equal to new sun.
No,
Sun S1
no.
equal sun S
Yeah,
equal
sun
to
S1 is equal to new
new
sun.
sun. S
Bracket,
dot
yeah.
drink
S dot drink and S dot
smoke.
smoke.
Next grandson.
Grandson. Grandson GS is equal to, okay, new grandson.
Right.
Yeah. And then
So G dot play.
G dot play and G dot study.
G dot over. This is the concept how to
Yeah.
manage different classes. How to manage
Okay.
different classes. Okay.
Inheritance. Okay.
How to manage different classes is finished. So next we can apply inheritance. Next we can apply
Oh, okay,
inheritance.
okay, okay.
Not yet apply.
Okay.
Here son can get only son properties only. He can't get father properties. N property will not come. N property will not
Okay.
come. After applying N property will come. Apply after applying inheritance. Now going to son and I am writing here son extends father. What will happen?
Now did we take new class again?
No. Same sun class already two. I wrote two functions.
Okay, okay.
Here I am
Yes, yes,
writing.
yes. We wrote three classes.
Yes.
No. We wrote three classes and one main function.
Main function. Class with main function. Class with main
Yes.
method.
So,
Now
yeah.
here
So
I
now
wrote
what we
sun
are,
extends father. What will happen?
Okay. All father stuff will come to son.
Right. So
Okay,
save,
sir.
come to inheritance. Son can get now s dot n, s dot
Okay.
drive.
Drive. Yeah.
Okay, right. Now I'm going to grandson. Grandson extends
Mm-hmm.
son. So grandson get four more properties. G dot earn you can
Mm-hmm.
get.
Mm-hmm.
G dot drive you can get.
Mm-hmm.
G dot drink you can get.
Mm-hmm.
G dot smoke you can get.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the concept of inheritance.
Okay, great.
Inheritance is one
Great.
of the concept provided by Java, which is used for extending the all the parent class stuff to child class. We can extend the all
Child's
the
class.
parent
Yes.
class stuff to child class. Just this
Mm-hmm.
practice this two concepts. So